Well, good morning, everybody. I wanted to do bruschetta today, but I figured real quick that we got to talk about bread first. So here's 2 minutes about bread. You don't want bread that's too hard. You want it semi-crunchy. You want it semi-chewy. I got 3 loaves of bread. This one's from Remington Wine Shop right down the street. Whole Foods and Whole Foods. I bought all of them within the last hour. Here is what you want to look for. When you push down on the bread, you want to hear a crunch. There's nothing. Okay? That crunch when you squeeze it is what you really want in a good baguette. Now, not every shop is going to let you smash their baguettes before you buy them, but that's what really is a good baguette. It's crunchy on the outside and it's soft on the inside. Now, again, just bought them, still soft. Now, we're going to heat them up either way, and for this recipe, we're getting ready to do bruschetta. I'm going to remind you, we don't want to overcook the bread to the point where it's like super crunchy, because we want to leave it a little bit chewy so that the guest is not breaking their teeth trying to chew through it. So, okay, I get it. Not everyone has time to run around and get fresh baguettes all the time. This is a really great option. Throw them in the freezer. They are in the freezer section at your grocery store. Throw them in the oven real quick, make fresh bread. It'll really take your recipes to the next level. Now, we're getting ready to kill some bruschetta and get really, really crazy with it. So I will see you guys next time, and I'm really glad that you enjoyed this episode of Life Should Be Delicious. I'll see you next time. Thanks.